We're atop Haystack Mountain. It's Sunday the 25th of August, 3:16 p.m. You can see the sweeping views here. We haven't seen stuff like this in the Smokies really, or up on Moose Lock the other day. So I just want to show you this rocker. Check it out. We're heading, actually heading that way, and then up around that ridge, and we are going to hit that, I believe, is Lincoln Mountain. We're atop Little Haystack Mountain right now. So there's a kind of an alpine little pond or lake over there. It looks like somebody's house. I believe that building over there is the hut that I'm going to blow past, and I'm heading to a shelter. It's called Garfield Brook Shelter, and it's I believe down the hill from that. So we're getting there. Worst part of the day is over. The climb up was kind of was pretty tough, but check it out. Just an absolutely beautiful. I've been getting a lot of clouds, kind of gray on some of New Hampshire, so I want to film this stuff as best I can. So yeah, Little Haystack Mountain. And we came down from over there, as you probably saw in the last video. So. All right, love you, rocker. We'll see you. Yeah, onward. We're gonna kind of follow this ridge line. It's like a pretty easy hike. I'm just gonna follow all these folks. Love you, bye. You should be jealous right now. This is perfect up here.